Like my girlfriend. She's a subpar girlfriend, so I have a new one. Don't tell my wife. Today we're going to look at two words, very short. Par, P-A-R, and sub, S-U-B. Many times we will use this phrase when somebody does something we think is normal but they think is really special, and we say, nah, it's just par for the course. It really wasn't that special. It was just normal. Par for the course. My children getting 100% in their math test is par for the course. I wish. Okay, that's par for the course. Now we have this other word, sub. So we use this prefix, it goes on the beginning of a word, to mean below or under. So we have the word subway. It's the railway system under the ground, sub. We also have a submarine, you know, the boat that goes under the water, submarine. So now we have sub and we have par. If you are at work and your boss says your performance has been subpar, is that good or bad? This would mean your performance is below our normal expectation, a subpar performance. Like my girlfriend. She's a subpar girlfriend, so I have a new one. Don't tell my wife. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't let my wife see this video. I'll be in trouble.